Hello friends and welcome back to my channel #foodfundas. A very happy new year to you. In winters, lot of interesting vegetables are available and especially the methi leaves. So today we are going to make a recipe with these methi leaves. So let's start making methi bajra paratha. So now let's see the ingredients required for making this paratha. In a big bowl or in a big plate, I'm going to add around 2 cups of Bajra flour. Bajra is also known as pearl millet. Now next I'm going to add around half cup of wheat flour. Bajra has a little bitter taste, so in order to take off the taste and to bind the dough, I'm going to add whole wheat flour into it. Next, I'm going to add a mixture of 1/4 cup of coriander and around 5 to 6 green chilies which are finely chopped. Next, I'm going to add salt to taste. Around half teaspoon of turmeric, that is haldi. Around 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. You can also reduce the amount of red chili powder because we have added green chilies. Around 2 teaspoons of ajwain. You have to rub the ajwain between your palms so that it gives out more of aroma. Then I'm going to add around 1 tablespoon of til seeds. Now til seeds are a good source of healthy fats, proteins, vitamin B, minerals and fiber. I'm also going to add some jaggery into it because the amount of methi leaves is higher, so to give a little sweetness to your paratha. Now here I have taken around 2 bunches of methi leaves which is roughly chopped. So these are the ingredients required. Now here in this dry ingredients I am going to add around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now next I am going to add around 2 tablespoons of pure ghee. I am not using oil into this. Now ghee is going to give you nice flakiness to your paratha. Now simply mix all these ingredients with dry hand. See that all the masalas are nicely combined with the flour and the methi. So here I am not going to use water for kneading the dough. I am going to use fresh curds to knead the dough. It is very much advisable to use fresh curds. Otherwise, if you use sour curd, the paratha will also taste salty and sour. So use enough quantity of curd to knead the dough. The dough should not be very loose. It has to be a nice, soft and stiff dough. Now here you can see that the dough is ready. Now divide the dough into equal portions so that you get nice medium thick parathas. Now I'm going to roll the parathas into circle. You can also roll the parathas into triangle or square, whichever shape you want. As we are making parathas with bajra flour, the sides might crack, so it is advisable that you use enough dusting and do not over knead or over roll the paratha. So I will roll out few more parathas to be served. Now here I have already heated the tawa. I am going to grease the tawa with some ghee. I am not using oil, and I am going to cook the paratha from both the sides till golden brown in color. You can also put some ghee at the sides when you are turning the paratha. See that you use enough ghee for this paratha so that it becomes tasty and it becomes more crispy and flaky. Now here you can see that the paratha is ready from both the side. It has got a lovely color and lovely aroma too. So now let's serve the paratha. Now I'm going to cut this paratha into 4 triangles so that it becomes easy to serve and also easy to eat. But you can also roll the paratha or just fold the paratha and serve. Now let's arrange. I'm just arranging it into triangles. Now this paratha can be relished with some curds. You can also eat with ghee, or you can also eat with green chutney. So friends, the Bajra Methi Paratha is ready. Especially you can enjoy this paratha in winters when lots of methi is available. Bajra and methi both go well for winters. You can serve this as breakfast, in kids' tiffin, and also it can be relished for dinner. So happy cooking and happy eating. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. #FoodFunders.